Hi, I'm Rob Cosman. Welcome to my shop. Tomorrow night, December 7th, and that is a significant day. We are going to host our 15th live YouTube workshop. This one, the theme is going to be making a last-minute Christmas gift, and the gift that we're going to work on is a breadboard. I think that's probably the easiest gift to give people. Everybody needs them, everybody wants them, and everybody's always looking for something unique. Well, I designed this one several years ago. It's actually 3 boards made out of bird's eye maple and mahogany. This board is for cheese. This one is for sweetbread, and this one is for regular bread. And the holder is dovetailed. I may change it a little bit, maybe recline it just a slight bit. There's a groove that each board sits in. We'll go through and show you how to do all of that. It'll be fun, and you might be able to crank enough out to actually save your butt for Christmas. Now, we always do these as a fundraiser for our Purple Heart Project. That's where we bring combat wounded veterans in 6 times a year, and we treat them to a 6-day, very intense hand tool workshop. We also send each vet home with approximately $3,000 worth of tools. Well, it takes a lot of money, and we let you participate. So what we're going to do is anybody that donates $25 to the Purple Heart Project done through our site, we'll enter your name in for this gorgeous figured maple handle. We're going to give you the rest of the saw too. In fact, you're going to be able to choose, the winner gets to choose whether he wants a dovetail saw, a crosscut saw, a medium tenon, or a bench crosscut. Thanks to my friend Sean Mahaffey, who resin impregnates the wood for us, turned out absolutely gorgeous. So tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, right here, come join us, and don't forget to buy a t-shirt to help us promote what we're doing to help combat wounded vets, such a deserving bunch. And December 7th, I think that's a good day to be doing something like this to honor vets. See you tomorrow night.